Guys, guess who now has a PayPal account? I'm basically making this video from Nigeria. Like, I am a Nigerian and I'm creating content from Nigeria for a very long time now. In fact, before I continue, let me show you this. Can you see this? I'm going to be putting it on the screen, don't worry. It says, your account has been restored. This is PayPal sending me a message. This is PayPal sending me an email, guys. I now have a verified PayPal account. In simple, clear terms, guys, I can now send payments and receive payments using my PayPal account. And for those people that have been asking how they can actually withdraw their money from Rumble, as we all know, the only payment method in Rumble platform that you can literally start earning from without 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscriber is PayPal, guys. And if you're in Nigeria and most African countries, you know how difficult it is for you to actually create a PayPal account. Over the years, people have actually been using hooks or crooks to create PayPal accounts. They've been using VPN and all of those stuffs. And personally, it does not suit my belief. Yes, my belief does not allow me to actually boycott whatever policies to actually go and get a PayPal account. Right now, I just created a PayPal account using my Nigerian address, my Nigerian phone number, my Nigerian informations, guys. And I'm going to show you in this video step by step how you can create a workable PayPal account for yourself. And you can set it up in just 5 minutes, guys. In just 5 minutes. Like, I've been making my research. How can I get this? I've actually missed some brand deals because I do not have a PayPal account, which is the means of payment. And if you're a small YouTuber watching this and you don't even want to use it for Rumble, a time is going to come that you're going to need the PayPal account, especially if you're in Nigeria. A time is going to come that you're going to need this PayPal account, and without the PayPal account, there's no way you're going to receive payment, your brand deals, your sponsorship, and everything. So I will implore you to just calm down and watch this video to finish. If you miss any step, you're going to miss everything. So just watch step by step. For those people that love skipping video, please don't skip this one. If not, you're going to miss everything. So guys, the amazing thing is that Pega has actually partnered with PayPal. We're going to be downloading the PayPal account. And after downloading the PayPal account, we're going to go through the registration process. And from there, you're going to have access to PayPal. Yes, PayPal is partnering with Pega, right? After you must have downloaded, in fact, let's go to your App Store or your Play Store and search for Pega. Okay, ensure you get the right Pega. So I'm going to be showing you on my screen, don't worry. So the first thing you need to do for you to get started is to go to Play Store or Apple Store. If you're using an iPhone, you go to your Apple Store. And if you're using an Android like me, just go to Play Store and download Pega app. Okay, please take note of the Pega app. Just search for Pega app. Okay, Pega mobile app. Okay, so I'm just going to click on Pega mobile app, and it's going to bring me to this interface. I already have the app downloaded on my phone already, so I'm just going to open it. Now, once you open it, it's going to bring you to the interface for you to sign up or log in. Okay, so for your own case, you're going to click on sign up, select Nigerian account. Just click on select Nigerian account. Okay, because it is your Nigerian account that you're going to use to create the PayPal. All right. So once you select the NGN account, it's going to bring you to this interface where you should input your phone number. Please input your correct phone number, because they're also going to send you a code to the phone number, and ensure you check your phone for the code. Okay. So I've just inputted my phone number, and I'm going to be waiting for the code. Okay. So once I get the code, I'll just click on send code, click on either SMS or WhatsApp, anyone you want them to send it to. So basically going to choose SMS. So they're going to send it to my SMS. They're going to send the code to me as an SMS. So as you input your phone number, they're going to send you a code. So they just sent me a code. I'm just going to input the code right here. So once I've inputted the code, it's going to bring me to this interface where I can turn on notifications or not now. So you can turn on notification or leave it, and then it's going to bring you to this interface for you to do a verification, basically. Okay. So here they're seeking your permission to allow a camera access. Just click on use now and then just position your face. So I'm just basically going to do my own verification right now. Okay, position your head very, just ensure you follow the instruction. It's actually very simple. It's actually a very simple and seamless process. You turn your head to the right, to the left until they're able to capture it and you are good to go. And after that, they're going to be processing your selfie and ID. Okay. And then it's going to bring you to this interface that says submission complete. And then it's going to bring you to this interface. Please fill it very, very carefully. Enter your email and password. Okay. So I'll just input my email and I'll input my password as well. Okay. And then it will land to this interface where your information is going to be in review. They say we are verifying your identity with the information provided. This may take a few minutes or hours. You'll be notified via email once it's complete. Guys, they love sending emails. You can see they sent me an email saying that my verification was successful. So always check out for your emails. Check out for your text messages. Check out for your emails, okay? This is actually the process I followed. First of all, I downloaded the Pega app, fill in my details, input my national identity card and my BVN, and then it led me to a place, it led me to a part where I'm supposed to actually sign up for a PayPal account. So guys, I already have a PayPal account. I'm just going to log in. Okay, so I'm just going to input my details for me to log in. So guys, once you're done with the registration, you're going to be landed to this interface like this. Now, I want you to look above here. Look above here, you're going to see NGN account, okay? Now, tap on NGN account. Guys, can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see NGN account, United States dollar account, and then PayPal account? Yes, guys, you're going to click on PayPal account, okay? Tap on PayPal account. Now, once you tap on PayPal account, it's going to bring you to this interface, guys. You can go ahead and watch this video. You don't even need it safe. You can go ahead and watch this video to see that PayPal is literally partnering with Pega, okay? And once you are able to open an account with Pega, you can literally have access to opening accounts with PayPal, guys, and you will be able to receive payment, send payment in Africa, guys, in Africa, especially if you're Nigerians, okay? So if you already have a PayPal account, all you need to do is to connect it. But for your own case, you don't have a PayPal account, you want to create a PayPal account, okay? Now, before you even get to this level, before I was able to get to this level while I was opening my own, I was a bit confused, guys. I was a bit confused because they asked me that I need to get to level 2 of my Pega account before I can be able to have access to this PayPal platform to be able to register. So what I did was that I imputed my BVN. Okay, so immediately I imputed my BVN, I was able to automatically go to level 2 in the Pega account. Okay, now immediately I got to level 2 in Pega account, and then I clicked back, and then I came back to click on PayPal account again. It automatically brought me to this interface. It automatically brought me to this interface. I'm going to say it again. You have to impute your BVN account first of all before before you'll be able to have access to this place. If you don't impute it, you will not have access to this place. So once you come to this place, all you need to do is to click on connect PayPal. Okay? Now, don't worry. I was also confused at this part. Now, this is the amazing part, guys. Can you see? This is actually a pop-up signal. This is actually a pop-up sign for you to create or connect a PayPal account. Okay, so if you already have a PayPal account, let's say you've already finished registering and everything, you can literally log in here. Okay, now, if you don't have a PayPal account, click on sign up, guys. You can see Nigeria is here. Nigeria is here. Just look for the country. Just look for any country of your choice. So my own is Nigeria. I'm just going to leave it in Nigeria. So just click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, guys, all the information you filled on Pega is automatically going to be filled here. is automatic. All the information you filled on Pega is automatically going to be filled here. You're going to see your country, your name, your last name, your date of birth, your nationality. You can see nationality. There's nothing like BVN. There's nothing like lying that you're from US or you're from whatever country that you're not from. This is real, guys. This is real. You're literally creating a PayPal account from Africa, from Nigeria for that matter. After that, just click on next and follow the next prompt. Come back, please make sure you come back to this comment section and tell me it worked for you. Come back to the comment section and tell me it worked for you. If you don't come back and come and tell me it worked for you, because I am 100% sure it's going to work for you, because it works for me. Like I said, I've been trying for years to open a PayPal account and it is not working until I tried this. Guys, it is working. And sure you come back and tell me in the comment section that it has worked for you. Okay, so just follow, because I don't want to open a PayPal account again. I've opened mine already. Okay, so just go ahead and follow the next prompt. Click on next. Just ensure they're going to be sending you codes, they're going to be sending you email, and you'll be able to open it, guys. Please ensure you like and share this video so that the YouTube algorithm will know that we are doing amazing thing on this channel and will push this video to more people. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.